Paddlers against Limits. And they're away and racing. Let me see if I can get a rate on. Indonesia coming away at 122 strokes per minute, and they jump out to the lead. They've got a length advantage already. That's 122 strokes a minute, ladies and gentlemen. It's slowing down a touch now. Still at 92, but 122 strokes a minute was the rate off the blocks of the team from Indonesia. They're dead set to win this one. They want it. So how's it shaping up? Let's go to the far side. We see the British Dragons just sitting a little aft of Team Trident. Team Trident, no match for the Indonesians. Cut across to the KL Barbarians. I reckon they'd be aft of Team Trident. Come to Pacific West, maybe just ahead of Trident. And Paddlers against Limits, a little bit outclassed on this occasion because they've dropped right out to the final position. Now, with at 150 to go, the Indonesians very much in control of the situation as they come down towards this finishing line. So Indonesia showing how it's done with precision paddling. Let's see what the Raiders are running down to the line because they'll probably crank up again. 97.